everybody, today I'm going to show you a really cool slime life hack. So shout out for today goes to Reese. She's the one who gave me this video to do. So I'm going to teach you how to turn this clear slime stretchier and better without making it foggy. So let's get started. So you need a microwavable, safe bowl, and your slime. So let's just go to the microwave and microwave this. Super sorry about any smudges or any weird things that you see. And all you need to do is put it in for 30 seconds and watch it go. Favorite number, 23. Okay, today is question. What is your favorite number? Comment that down below. Like button challenge today is try to push the like button with your chin. And then after you're done with that, hashtag I did it, comment that down below. If that makes sense. Sorry, put it in a weird way. This is how it looks. It looks kind of weird. But let's go. So, I'm just gonna go. It looks really good. Hopefully it is good. To there. So it is really hot. And sorry about any background or bloopers telling you coming up. The lighting is bad. So here's the slime. It's so much better. If you go back at the beginning of the video and come back to this, you will see the difference. Super hot. Sorry about that weird noise. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope you enjoyed. Bye.